Making the glass transparent. So we have our distorted background as it will be seen through the bowl. So let's bring back the bowl, and we'd like to make the bowl partially transparent up here. So we'll just switch to that layer, and then we're going to create a mask. And then we're just going to paint with that mask with a very soft brush, and you can make sure that it's soft by checking the hardness here. Should set to 0%. And then you'll notice it's defaulting to white. We can press X, and now it will start painting with black on the mask, which is what we want. And then we can use the bracket keys to increase the size of the brush. Then we just want to not get too close to the edge, but we want to make the center of the bowl transparent. Okay, now you can see our distorted refraction layer, but there's a little bit of a, at the top there's a lip of the bowl. That should kind of be more visible. So what we'll do is I'll just press X again, and then we'll change to a smaller brush, and then we'll just paint that back on that in the mask. There we go.